If you are looking for a good heavy-duty retractable weld hose for your cutting torch, this is most definitely a great unit. I got it installed on my welding skid already. Well, you can take it off and you can have it installed in your shop. It works good. It's not too heavy, but it is heavy duty. I haven't had any issues out of this one. I actually like it. I was comparing a few prices, and for the price of this one, you can't beat it. So I actually ordered this one off of Amazon, and they'll range from anywhere, honestly, from $200 to $300 for, you know, some of the brands. But I think I paid around $150 for this one. So that was a, you know, in the middle kind of, you know what I mean? And it's a real good unit. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but I didn't want to go with a real cheap one, because I went with one that was like $50, and I didn't like the way it was made. So I spent a little bit more and I got a better unit. And I didn't, like I say, go all the way out to get the $300 one, but you know, this, to me, this one right here serves several purposes. I don't have to go all the way out. I just need what I need. So when you're buying things, sometimes you can just buy what you need, and it'll make, you know, things will work out. But there's no need to just go in debt or overwhelm yourself when you're purchasing certain things. Just get what you need. But remember this: if you go the cheap way out, you might end up eating it and have to go back again. So in my personal opinion, I would say find that sweet middle spot. You know, there's a lot of great brands that you haven't heard of that actually got some great equipment. So don't try to cheat yourself by beating yourself. Get what you need. Keep getting your HogOn. Black famous.